Hello, Dunkins. I am Sophia, and I am the co-member of the Dunkin Squad. And these are the members.
Hi, Dunkins. I'm Dunk number 1.
And I'm Dunk number 2. Yeah, this is not Duck number 2. I'm actually the co-member because Duck number 2 is not here right now. She is at dance practice. But before we talk about her, we are all unfortunately really broke. Okay, that's enough. So our mission today is we are going to be working at a hospital, but not any normal hospital. We're going to be working at an animal hospital where there are a lot of monsters called anomalies. Now back to the Duck number 2 situation. So she's actually going to be in a video. She's just at dance practice right now, and this edit takes really long, so I'm not going to be editing what I'm saying right now. And yeah, so let's just get to the video. Hi, I'm Duck number 1.
I'm Dunk number 2. And I'm the co-member, and today we have a special guest here. Come out. Release them. This is my brother Noah. Say hi.
Okay, so we're gonna go work in the what? With the people?
Yeah.
And then our co-member is gonna work out nowhere. We're gonna work. Where are you gonna work at?
They can both be in there since they're like siblings. They can help each other.
Yeah. Right?
I'm gonna be in.
Okay.
One.
I can't breathe.
You guys hear him?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. How good? Good?
A little bit. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, no, it'll be loud. Hey. Can you hear that now?
Yeah.
Alright. How good?
Good. Like good.
Okay. Hi, my name is Buddy Jeyong. Okay. You know what? I'm gonna do this one. We're gonna take turns doing them, okay? Until the patient. Hey, stop. 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 You're gonna hurt him. Okay.
I can't breathe.
Oh, you little rat. No, you can't kill them. You're not supposed to kill them. No, wait, don't kill them. Imagine he does surgery on them. Surgery on them. Okay, don't kill them. I'm crying, bro.
Both are red right now. Guys.
Dang it. It's really stupid.
Oh.
Oh, it's a T-Rex unicorn. No, that's it's a T-Rex unicorn. It's not a T-Rex. His name is Spunky. Why is it doing that? It sounds like Spunky. No, that's not a Spunky. It's a monster. It just moves his hand glitching.
I can't breathe.
No, oh my goodness, that was way too funny when he started jumping on the patient, bro.
Literally.
Don't do that ever again, Noah. That was funny.
Literally. We're gonna watch our guest do the surgery thing, whatever it's called.
It is so easy. No, this one looks like Spunkies. I completed one.
Oh.
Good job, Spunk. How to do this? Another one is coming, guys, so you have to do them.
Bro.
Finish it. I don't know.
Beachy.
I'm gonna have to be AFK in a while, guys, so you guys are gonna have to like check on the pace.
Oh, bro. Don't tell me that. Ew! Let it escape my hand.
lunches.
Oh.
Goodbye.
No, Sophia!
I can revive her.
Really?
Yeah. I'm back. You're welcome. Thank you.
But coffee.
Oh wait, never mind. Wait, is that your favorite person?
Yeah.
Who did it?
Someone killed a patient. I wonder who.
Yeah, I wonder who, Noah. I was about to give the right treatment, and then Noah came up and gave a random one.
I am the number one.
I'm the number 2. I'm the co-member. And I'm the number 3. No, yeah, you Noah.
And this is a death squad.
Our guest today was Noah, my brother. And if you comment down below if you guys would like to see him in new videos. If I'll vote, and if you guys really like him, then I'll add him in more videos.